Is this Buckhurst Hill's most luxurious new home? Let's find out. As you can see, everything in this house has been carefully considered, from the elegant lighting to the handcrafted coving. We have this beautiful statement fireplace, such a beautiful living space. Continuing the luxury theme, we have this bespoke fitted emerald green kitchen with integrated Bosch appliances and a large central island. On the ground floor, we also have a WC featuring a gold swan tap. Such a unique entrance hall with extremely high ceilings. This beautiful primary bedroom has been elevated with bespoke mood lighting and a luxury ensuite. On the first floor, there are 2 further large bedrooms and a family bathroom. On the second floor, we have a further 3 generously sized bedrooms, 2 of which featuring en-suites. And we have a south-facing garden finished with a large patio area. This house is truly exceptional. If you want to make it yours, give me a call.